Welcome to our channel. Exporting call logs from your state unemployment portal can be useful for keeping records. Follow these step-by-step instructions to access and export your call history. Step 1. Visit your state's unemployment website. Each state has its own portal, so search for your state's unemployment department website in your browser. Step 2. Log into your unemployment account using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register first. Step 3. Navigate to the My Account or Profile section of the portal. Look for tabs or menu items related to account activity or communication history. Step 4. Search for Communication Log, Call History, Contact History, or similar sections. Not all state portals maintain call logs, so this feature may vary. Step 5. If call logs are available, select the date range for the records you want to export. Most portals allow you to choose from the last 30, 60, or 90 days. Step 6. Look for an Export or Download button, typically located at the top or bottom of the call log page. This button may be represented by a download icon. Step 7. Choose your preferred file format for the export. Common options include PDF for viewing, CSV for spreadsheets, or text files for simple records. Step 8. Click Download or Export to save the file to your computer. The file will typically download to your default Downloads folder. Step 9. Open the downloaded file to verify that all call log information has been properly exported, including dates, times, and call purposes. Step 10. If call logs aren't available in the portal, contact your state unemployment office directly and request your call history records through customer service. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.